Greenies, Dr. G here with my third video in the Sustainable Travel Swap series. So this video is going to be on the IYYI Collapsible Cup. Now these are not from a sustainable brand that's known for sustainability. They're actually just from Amazon, but I got into a problem where I wear a retainer to sleep, and when I'm at a hotel I need to soak the retainer to clean it every day. And it would either be that at the hotel all they would have were disposable plastic cups in the bathroom, or if the hotel room did have glasses, there would only be 2 for the hotel room, and I would also need one to drink out of. So I didn't have any good solution to soak my retainer. So if you're in the same boat, or maybe you just like to have like a cup to put your toothbrush in or something, you'll definitely like this product. So it came in a set of 2. It's really affordable. They were about $9 US for 2. And they're these cool little collapsible silicone cups. So they have a carabiner, which is really nice. I'm going to be putting this on my toiletry case. One is orange, and then the other one is blue. You can totally choose your color combination if these aren't your favorite colors. They're definitely made for little children because they've got this cute little teddy bear, but hey, it's cute. What I love about it is it has a lid on it, so you actually have this lid and this cup piece. So when you pop the cup out, it's this nice silicone cup, so it is heat resistant. You get this awesome little cup with a lid, and then I can just use it to soak my retainers. So I'm also going to pop this one out and show you. And you've got this cool cup, and you can put your retainer, your tablet, or whatever you use to clean in there, or toothbrush, mouthwash, whatever you want to put in there. So I'm going to go give these a wash with some soap and water, and then I'm going to let you know how they work. Alright, update on our IYYI travel cup with lid. So I went ahead and washed it with some warm water and soap, and then I actually put my retainers and their little cleaning solution in here. You can kind of see they fit pretty well. You can definitely put any kind of retainer tablet, retainer Byte, or anything in here. And what's really nice is it has this lid, which if you're leaving it on the bathroom sink or something, it keeps it sanitary. I don't think this lid is leak proof, so I wouldn't turn it upside down, but overall, great product, would recommend, and see the link in the video description below.